Shelli Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California, where you're always welcome, and I always love having you here. We can make something yummy, delicious, and healthy. All right, today is Sunday, so of course, as usual, I do some quick meal prep so that we're prepared to eat healthy all week long. Grab and go is kind of the name of my game. And I made for you a quinoa Mediterranean salad with grilled salmon. It has quinoa, calamari olives, heirloom tomatoes, fresh red onion, and this delicious honey Dijon dressing. Now, I did two things that you are going to love because they're big time savers for the week. I doubled up on the quinoa, and part of it I used for the salad that I'm going to show you how to make. And the other half I just stick in the refrigerator for salads and sides and just something easy and healthy to grab all week long. And the other thing that I did is that I doubled up on the dressing. So the nice thing about this, ladies, is that you can use this as a marinade in addition to a dressing. So it's great with seafood and meat, well, chicken, meat, that's a meat, yeah. Chicken, seafood, meat, marinate it, and of course you can use it for a little dressing, but it's super easy to make, and you put it in the fridge. You make it in this cute little jar and you just shake it. It's super easy. All right, let's wash our hands and let me show you quickly how I made this meal. Okay, ladies, and that's the meal. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Now, if you also want to make this into a vegetarian main dish, you can omit the salmon and then just add a can of chickpeas to it, and that just makes it a little heartier and great for a vegetarian meal. All right, for all things health, wellness, fitness, beauty, style, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.